Good day, and welcome to Hugo House. Today, we'll be talking about a coastal guest cottage that gets a custom renovation. This Wheeler Coastal Studio was originally constructed in the 1980s as a rental unit and was later converted to a modern guest cottage home office by architectural design and build team. The look and the feel of the studio have been updated with new task and ambient lighting, sustainably harvested eucalyptus wood flooring, and slate tiling for the efficient wood stove. The kitchen in this small cottage home renovation has also been updated with cherry kitchen cabinetry, fitted pull-out shelving, and granite kitchen countertops. To optimize the air circulation from the deck, the sliding door was updated with wood-clad doors with matching windows on both sides. The elevated sills of the new windows in the small cottage home also made room for a small desk and an end table. Other additional functional improvements include storage space for the family's collection of South American tapestries and relocating the loft ladder. The Wheeler Studio is a version of a tiny house design. Tiny house design is commonly described by architectural designs which encourage and advocate living simply with less of an environmental impact on the planet. It is an elegant yet practical home design that is suited to both younger and older people looking for more affordable accommodation. Inside, the small cottage home skylights help to provide excellent natural lighting. The rafters in the home design provide a refined look that offers a conducive feel to that of a traditional log home. The central wood stove in the small cottage home efficiently heats the space. Tiles surrounding the central hearth offer a modernist look. The unique combinations of wood, stone as part of the kitchen countertop finish, and metal from stove offer both a rustic and contemporary style that many people find appealing. Internal storage space is also found to be a solid feature of the Wheeler Studio. The built-in cabinets within the living room area and the kitchen offer plenty of room to make the small square footage in this home design functional. A small viewing space and niche inside the small cottage home is ideal for eating or relaxing over a good book or coffee. The outdoor deck space extends the living space outdoors and provides a perfect balance between indoor and outdoor space, especially as residents can move from inside to out with ease and comfort. The outdoor space is conducive to growing vegetables or flowers, with outdoor deck being perfect for both these activities. If inclined, the outdoor space in this small cottage home even offers enough space for more luxurious purchases such as a hot tub. The Wheeler Studio as a design is practical, environmentally smart, aesthetically pleasing, and an affordable option compared to conventional, larger home construction. Given the wide appeal for living simplistically and comfortably, this tiny house design is likely to be around for some time. The Wheeler Studio is a beautifully crafted small cottage home that combines natural building materials to make the space feel cozy, elegant and modern to be used for a variety of things. And that's it for our video for today. Please to consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We are going to be featuring new homes every single day, from local homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. So we do hope that you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.